All right, so here we are with the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun. Bob and Brad. Yep, we're good to go. This is the box it comes in. Has the directions on the back side. Gives you easy follow directions in any language. Just basically shows you the pictures and how to operate it and what it is. So now I'm unboxing, taking it out. Box is empty. Make sure you check inside the box. They have their logo, Bob and Brad. Let you know that it's authentic. And just make sure you don't have greasy fingers, because there is 2 little greasy marks or grease marks that I put on the box because I opened it before, actually, just to make sure everything was in there. And that's what you're seeing on the front side. So please forgive me. So now you have the operating manual and you have your USB-C charging. So this is how you charge your machine, your massage gun. It powers TV, iPad, charges a lot of things. You can use it not just to charge your massage gun, but to charge other things as well. You plug it into your outlet. The USB-C portion at the end goes at the bottom of the massage gun. So we're good to go. It's now plugged, charged in. Take out the cord once it's charged after about 90 minutes to 2 hours, depending on your plugs in your country. So this is our first head. This is going to be the soft head, the spongy head, the relaxing head. It's not hard at all. See, look at, yep, nice and spongy. It's easy going, no problems. Twist it on and we're good to go. The power indicator or power button is on the back. The power indicator lights just let you know which power mode you're on. If you're at 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So now we're going to turn it on. Just hold that power button for about 2 seconds, maybe 3 seconds. And it's moving. So now this works through clothing. So this is what we're showing right here in this segment is the model. We're on level 1 and she has her clothes on. There's going to be a lot of clients who don't want to take their clothes off, especially in the airport. They're going to want chair massage and they're going to want you to work over their clothes. And giving a massage through clothing is quite tough. It's difficult, but it's doable. I've been doing it for several years. And with the massage guns coming out, it makes all my work much, much, much easier. Thank God. Praise the Lord. God is amazing. So what I'm doing now is working on the back, nice and gentle, but let's listen to see how it sounds. So right here, we're working the gluteus maximus, minimus, medius. So right here is the medius, because it's the middle part. And right underneath the gluteus medius is the gluteus minimus. And we're going to work that IT band a little bit. We're also going to work the piriformis muscle. That muscle kind of sits on a nerve, that vagus nerve, that long nerve in the body, and it goes down the leg and causes sciatic pain. So we want to loosen up those muscles, work on the butt. I know it seems like it's weird, but I can't get a massage without somebody working on my butt area. I gotta tell you. So now I'm using this head, and this head has a felt tip. This head you would use only on certain type of clothing. So if somebody has silk or some sort of fabric that is so fickle that you don't want to wrinkle, or you don't want to get any type of lotion on, and you don't want to damage it, just use this ball. This is the ball, the big ball, but it has a felt tip to where it's kind of fuzzy. And so you can use it on the clothing and it doesn't really cause any type of wrinkling, or, you know, for those items that are super silky smooth clothing, it goes right over it. And right here, we're just working on the hamstrings. I'm moving it up to level 3. And now we're placing it back on the back. So see how it glides over the clothing? You can hold the clothing down and allow the ball to move up and down. Work the neck area. And the ball is nice and smooth to where even if you worked on the head or around the hair area, you don't have to worry about anything getting caught in between nodules or in between the little threads, because it's just a big ball. But the other heads, just please use caution. So now this head is going to be our bullet. Turn it on level 1. Never start off the bullet with level 2, 3, 4, or 5. Just start off with number 1. We're going to hit certain areas: upper back, mid back, lower back, and the glutes, the butt muscles. So I normally start off at upper body. I ask to move their arm in the chicken wing position, so I can really dig underneath that scapula. I know she has clothing on. You can't really see me digging into it, but if she was naked or has no clothes on, you put the person in a chicken wing and you can work right underneath that scapula blade, because some people's, like her, scapula pops out. Mine doesn't pop out so much at all, but for hers, it's perfect. And so when you put the arm down, the scapula moves down. But it's good for digging underneath that chicken wing area of the scapula. So if you have QL or quadratus lumborum issues, very, very tight back muscles, oh yeah, get right in there, that QL muscle, and it will shake everything loose. Be careful of the kidneys. You don't want to add too much direct pressure unless they can take it. If it feels good to them, go for it. But if you know, even if it is super sharp pressure and you know you could be hurting that client, do no harm. I don't care if they're saying go harder. Just use judgment. You don't want to hurt them. So you're working on that piriformis muscle to the outside. I'm going to sit on down because I'm old. And get out your way so you guys can see. Now I switched the head to the thumper head. The thumper is almost like the little rabbit's foot when you watch a little rabbit run, or in super slow motion, the rabbit's foot hammers down really, really, really fast. And that's how it quickly can take off. And working on the lower back, mid back can be a little ticklish sometimes. So you want to use the thumper. You want to switch. And the thumper is also awesome for your side, your oblique area, serratus anterior, your rib cage, underneath the armpit. Oh man, it gets in there, and it's gentle on those areas. So it's not super, super hard, but it's like a different type of thump. When you feel it on your body, you will know the difference. Like, oh, that's not the felt tip ball. That's not the bullet. That's not the goalpost. That's not the little soft, squishy, soft head. It's totally different. It hits different, for real, for real. And it is good. It's not ticklish at all. You don't see her moving, flinching. I would use this on the side areas instead of using the other ones. Sometimes the other ones are too ticklish for people. Then use the thumper.